Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the EGR cooler on BMW 320d E46. The procedure is similar to most diesel engines on the E46 platform. The EGR cooler is located right there. So in order to get to the EGR cooler, we need to remove the cooling fan. First, we'll start by disconnecting the electrical connectors over there. Next, we're going to remove the two bolts holding this cooling fan diffuser so that we can remove it afterwards. Next, we're going to remove the cooling fan. We need two wrenches size 32 in order to remove the cooling fan. We put one wrench on the bolt, the other wrench on the nut of the cooling fan, and we're going to turn it clockwise. On the cooling fan, the thread is on the reverse side, so in order to loosen it and remove it, we need to turn it clockwise instead of anti-clockwise. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Once we get the bolt loose, then we just need to turn the cooling fan clockwise, and it will we'll remove the bolt of the cooling fan from the nut. And that's the cooling fan out of the nut. So next we can remove the whole cooling fan diffuser along with the cooling fan. And that's the cooling fan out. Now we have access to the EGR cooler. The EGR cooler is right there. First we're going to remove the hose connecting the EGR cooler to the radiator hose. Next we're going to remove the first bolt that holds the EGR cooler to the engine. It's right there underneath the cooler. Next we're going to remove one of the clamps holding the EGR cooler pipe, and then we're going to remove the other pipe which is on the bottom side. Next we're going to remove that hose over there. And now we're going to remove the second bolt holding the EGR cooler to the engine. Now that we've freed the EGR cooler, next we can remove it. And that's the EGR cooler out. Now we can replace it with a new one. Putting the new EGR cooler back on is the exact same procedure as removing it. After everything is assembled, we need to fill the cooling system with coolant and bleed the system through the 4 bleeding screws that are on this car. And that's the EGR cooler assembled. Now we put on the last hose, and that's it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.